do this, I'm just gonna be making a leveling system for my video on stream because why not just stream? Because why not be able to talk to the community while I stream? So, and I already made some stuff already, just the simple stuff. There's no sequence. Yo. Yo, what's up, Sizzle? Just go. Yo, what's up? It's Mom Box. Is the size of Udon? Size and position to Udon as well. Bro, let's just. I think we should just make this thing. What is the difference between find first child of class and find first child, which is a? I feel like they're both essentially the same thing, but with different wording. But like like the way I can interpret it to you is that find first child of class is that we know that this part, like we know that if we have like a particle, like if we did the same thing, like let's say we had like we try to find like if this was a particle inside of like this part. If we did like find first child of class and then we put like particle in the parameters, then it's gonna give us the if it's a parameter, it's basically the same thing essentially. It really isn't like really no big difference. But like yeah, it really isn't no big difference if you really think about it, but like I think of class is just a little bit more accurate because I don't know, I think they're both the same thing because if I change it to if I did where was it? If I did which is a if I did something like this. Find first child. You said find first child, which is a humanoid. I think should still do the same thing. So I'm supposed to get an error anyway. So if I get an error, it still works regardless, cause like we'll fix it. So if I was to walk on this part right here, it still fires regardless. It's basically the same thing. It just reference to the class. I mean, there might be some instances where like it might be better than others, but like that's what I use it for. So, so what do you have to do to level up? I'm probably gonna make. I'm using a part right now, but I'm probably not gonna use that part later. Okay, this is going on. You probably have like to kill some like NPCs in order for that to happen or something. I don't know. But we can see. I figured I forgot to add something to the UI. What's up, Blockman 2K? My man. trying to find a nice little UI real quick so I can use it for a little leveling. Or I might just make my own, but I'm gonna try to find a nice one real quick. Let me just get out of here so you can see here instead. Maybe this UI is kind of nice. I don't know. I mean, yeah, I thought the same too. Maybe Witches A might be different than like Up Class, but I feel like Up Class is just more straightforward. But like, if you maybe look it up, I'm pretty sure it'll like give you like the difference between both of them about what they reference and stuff. So, Jada Hand, what's up? What's up? What's up? I think this would be pretty good. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. Okay, I'll just make my own UI because I'm not gonna do that extra stuff, honestly. Only gets this one. So, well, that's good to know. There's a class for super and base classes. So which is A might be better for like if you're trying to access. I mean, it depends on how you loop as well. Like if you're, okay, I do understand it. Cause I'm thinking about certain circumstances where like both wouldn't work, but I feel like no matter what you do, you can still modify so both could work. Accounts for super and base classes. So it's the parent and child classes. Okay. Let's get this text and stuff. Okay, now I'm back. Let's focus now. Oops. Maybe something like that. I'm gonna, just have like, oh. Does that even look nice? How does that look like scaled? Oops. This frame scaled. How does that look like? So let's do 0. How does 0 look? And then what if I do like 10? So maybe what if I do a by? It has to be divided by that. Okay. By another video with first life system is live stream meaning. So I mean, yeah, it really like it's really hard to make like an anti-cheat, but like I actually like if you can, I can make an anti-cheat, but like I just made it like more protective because what I did was if they wanna like if they wanna basically add a stat point because I'm doing everything on the server, so like they can't really access it. So and I'm gonna use some remote functions as well just to double check if things are actually happening the correct way and things are not being rushed, so we can prevent like stuff from that. So we can prevent stuff from that from happening. So I don't like this at all. I'm gonna change this up right now. So maybe I'm gonna do udum that's to the new. It's gonna be exp frame dot size at x, and then so if it's the x, it's the x offset. So it's gonna size. Wait, I'm between the frame, xp and not frame. So maybe exp frame dot. No, not exp frame. It's gonna be current divided by x dot value. I need to put some parentheses. These don't have no parentheses. Frame dot. Let's do dot value here as well. No, it's not dot value. Then what should I scale it by then? I want to go by levels. I don't say 100. I don't think 100's it, but let's try it. Nah, I might have. Maybe that fixes it. Yeah, then put exp frame dot size. Ooh, that size. I think this is the width. This is the width, and then this is the height. Okay, I think this could be completely wrong, cause hey, we'll see. We're gonna see anyways. First, why is it even? Okay, so it's going upwards, which is what I don't want to happen. Y. No, it's that X. It should be X, but no, first of all, let's change this to R6. And let me just add the level display, and I'll worry about the twinning later. I don't feel like doing too much time into this right now, so just worry about this twinning later. And then we can just access the local level equals stat folder. I'm gonna put all these variables on top. You can do stat folder dot level. Yep. And we can also do level dot change. We're changing the display, so I can change the level then. So what is it inside main frame? Inside exp frame. I don't need to put level on name, but it doesn't matter. Why not? I'm doing good. How are you doing? There's definitely better way. I'm gonna optimize all this later. I don't know. These have to be unique. So, yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I think that shit. So good as well. Thank you, brother. It's wondering. Okay, okay, okay. So, my peoples. I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm not gonna worry too much about this right now. I'm just gonna give a good estimate for how this will work. And then I'm going back to this. So when we level up, level display is gonna show that. I'm gonna increase this to like 5. This is taking too long to update. And then when we level up, yeah, we can do leveling. We can do the leveling up on here as well. On this client, we need to do on a server. So we can change the name. We can. He says, in the system, it's gonna have option to wipe data easily. Maybe I'm thinking maybe I might add data stores. I'm unsure if I'm gonna add data stores, but if you want me to add data stores where you can like wipe data and stuff, I can add that for you. Cause I was just thinking about making it real simple. Okay, let's get into it. So level got changed. I think I made yeah, I did make these stores already. Local level effect. What's the effect called? Level? What's the effect called? I don't feel like going back in there and look. EXP part. And there's a particle in there. Right? I'm just gonna look, whatever. Yep, EXP part and level up. We're gonna do. So, was it? Settings to. Yeah, I'll add settings if you can enable or disable it. Yeah, so people can like use it and stuff. Yeah, I'll think about it for sure. Yeah, you can also just change the name of the data store. Which I'll just make a variable for the key. Yeah, what question you got? What question you got? Takes too much time to deal with. Yeah, it does take a lot of time, but good thing the data stays from the key, which is pretty cool. New part, and then you can just delimit maybe 500. Reverse. Add item. Effect. Still for one. Maybe I think it's a little bit too much. Is it like? I think I don't know. It doesn't. I guess it's cool for right now. How does 0.5 look like? It's gonna take forever to level up if I keep doing this. There's like a little space I see. Where's that space coming from? Maybe keep it a box. To be honest, maybe it looks nicer. Boom, you level up, and then if you level up, you wanna okay. That's something I want to add as well. Stat points. You level up, you get stat points too. So. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on side. I take a tuple, so that's kind of annoying. I can't even adjust it the way I want to. Which means I would have to do something like I'll just have to do nil. So fire nil here, and then when I go in here, you're making level effect client-sided. Yeah, I'm making the client side so only you can see yourself level up. I mean, I can put on the server if you want. I'm only thinking about like, only thing about this put on the client. I'm putting all the important stuff on the server, like all like the data changing. But if I put on the client, it really wouldn't matter. If I want everybody to see, I could just still fire all clients from the server, and I can just like make that all work. But if you want other people to see yourself level up, I could do that for you. Say the word and I'll do it. Say please. Yeah, client is better, not gonna lie. Okay, yeah, I'll keep it on the client then. I mean, it could be either way. It really doesn't matter. It just depends like what you want. Like, do you want everybody to see you? Do you want everybody to see you level up or like not? You made a spell mistake at line V. 62. Right here, 62. Wait, which line you talking about? 62. In the server script. Oh, you're right. Ah, thank you. Much appreciated. Thank you, VIP. I did get some DMs on my server just now. Let's see. Oh man. Okay, let's do this. Let's get back to it. I don't wanna use remote event, but I think I might just have to. This is confirming it leveling up, so. Yeah, I'm gonna make a remote event for this. I don't wanna. Yeah, everything should have its own unique thing. So maybe instead of firing nil here, get rid of nil out of here. I just fire simple event. We do checker. We'll just do. There we go. I'm just making suggestions. Yeah, give me all suggestions you want. Like, I'm down for any openings because like this is for you guys. So like, I mean, it's not for me. I could make this myself, but like, I really don't know how to make these like in a way that I like them. So you guys just tell me how you guys like to get it done, and I'll just do it for you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in the long way. Staff over.level.value. And then we can just file the remote like instantly. Restores dots, events dot level checker, and then we just fire server and just fire true. This means it should increase our level. It should increase our stat points as well. Ooh, I see what I did here. It's gonna increase our level and our stat points. Did I change it to climb by accident? Let's check. I didn't. Okay, just making sure. Oh, I already have it. It changes by itself. Forgot I made the current XP. When the current XP surpasses, the level goes up. And what the hell am I even adding this remote event for? Just adding extra work. This is the most insecure remote event I've ever seen in my life. Thanks. Yeah, we don't even need the remote event. I just thought about because we already have this here. So we don't need a remote event no more. Then what was I just doing then? So boom, boom. Oh, okay. I see what I was doing. So instead of using remote event, this is what I'm gonna do. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna go down to our where in the world was I just at just now? Oh, it was where was that event? Where was the event I just fired? It was from he said. So you mean like a auto save button basically? Like turn the button on, your data starts saving, turn it off, you have to manually save your data? Is that what you mean? Alright, let's go back to this. Where was that? Okay, right here. Let's put now. So we have add points, and then we're gonna do. So this has to be true. Add points, then we're gonna do points. Return, because we don't want to pass here, but if it's false, it's not even gonna fire, so we're gonna do this. That's why we made that nil, so we can go to our level changed. We can just so we do this, copy this real quick. And auto mode. Sure. I mean, you can really do that by just changing the key. I mean, like I feel like that's like really already built in to like Roblox just in general. I could do that for you personally, because I could do that real quick. It's really not that hard. I can do it for you. So we're gonna fire, just true. We're gonna fire. I need to fire nil, and I need to fire true, because it's a tuple, so I have to have something to replace that. And I'm gonna have local, added text. Warn, added text. Yeah, 10 skill points. Let's drain our skill points real quick. Yep, we're good. We got 2 skill points. Okay. We have 4 skill points. I think I know why we're getting so many skill points now. Because okay, so we have nil here, we have true. Okay, that means I need to return. I just need to return here. Not this true, but just this. And then when I go inside of here, I can just have this as text added. And then I don't really need this as text added really. Thank you, I appreciate it. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. $12 is crazy. Holy dang, that 12 is crazy. Okay, I might need to just return here. This is why I hate doing stuff in 2. I might make its own, but check the level. I don't like the way it's running right now. Wait, what if I do return false and add 1? I want to put warn ran. Just double check. How am I getting? Wait, it ran one time. So it ran warned and it ran 1 time. Oh, I start off with 10 skill points, and then it just added 2 skill points. But why did I add 2 though? Let's see why I added 2. I might detect the change then. I was wondering why I added 12. I was like, oh, I'm not tripping. Oh, I'm so dumb. I just realized what I'm doing. I already did it already. I did it inside of the. I already did inside of the player added, that means I'm adding it twice. I'm adding it inside of the on server invoke when I invoke the stat checker, and I already am doing it when the player is added as well. It's just that's actually just a waste of time. So now if I was to just check here, look, aim. Oh, I forgot, it's not even here no more. It doesn't get out here. It should work now. We should have 11. Yep. Let's get rid of these real quick. Anything. See, we get a little bit faster as well when we put our stats in. Let's try to level up a little bit more here. You get 1 stat point. Okay. Chick-fil-A nuggets while watching you. Thank you. That makes me feel good about myself. That you can eat food while you're watching me. So if I increase my speed by 3 points, my speed does increase a lot more. You know, I'm probably gonna make like NPCs you can kill for like stats. I might increase this as well, so it's taking a while, and then just increase speed again. Okay. I just realized, did I put this on a front? Wait, this is why is it on the front? This is not supposed to be in the front. Wait, what if I just change these around? You said lol. Let's do one. Let's do. Let me just get all this out of here. 0. First parameter. And let's add some NPCs. So we're gonna have the NPCs like you kill them. I might add the combat system or the sword system. I'm not sure. It's either one of those. Yeah, so like you see, we're running pretty slow right now, but when we upgrade our speeds, let's just put speed. We're a lot faster. It's just more visual to see the speed stat. So it does scale, but it scales off. So okay, okay, I think I can fix that. So instead of we can just do it's 0, 1, and then 0. Maybe divide by 100, and I think it's just plus. Time that'd be 1,000 though. That's huge. Maybe we can add the NPCs now. I think that should be all for the leveling system. I'm not gonna make it too complex. And then maybe I can add like I think that's all. Make the mic a little bit louder. Okay. I hope that's not too loud, but I just up the mic a little bit. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Boom. Okay, it's going too far now. Okay, we're getting it. It has the right thickness and everything. Just this is just inaccurate as hell. And I want the text to overlap. Why is it being overtaken? Oh, it's all parented to the frame, so of course it would just. Oh, I have to locate it again then. No, it's not. This frame's gonna. Yeah, bro, how's it scale? Why is it scaling like that though? That was good things, of course. Let's see, what else can we add to this other than scaling this? Oh, I moved the wrong thing. So I know I'm gonna have an error somewhere because I just moved it without referencing again, without referencing the text no more. So yeah, it's gonna be right here. So it's gonna be line 62. So it's looking for XP frame. So how do I reference the XP text? I did XP text dot. Okay. Frame. Let's do. And that should fix it. Jeez, that's really. I don't think it's divided by 100, which is why. Do a rebirth feature for the leveling system. Okay, I like that idea. That's a really good idea. I like a rebirth. This hate, do I have a level 2. So, well, look at Vortex being such a champ. He's basically saying he's willing to help people right now. Everybody just go hit up Vortex. Vortex, help us. Alright, let's add prestige then. Because why not? Alright. So we'll make it, you can prestige at a certain level then, like maybe like level 5 you can prestige, I don't know. So you can just create prestige. So this just turned to a leveling system into a, no, I'm gonna name it like leveling system, and then I'm gonna have like with prestige and stats. So it's gonna be like an all-in-one chunk. Would you be able to make stat systems where your sword and power deal more damage? Oh yeah, that's really easy. Very simple. I can explain to you how you guys can do that. I mean, I have to get out the, what's it called? I have to get out the system. But so how much do you know about coding so I can explain it to you? Because if I explain it to you, I think I can explain it in like an easier way, which would be like, oh, that makes a lot of sense. So we can have like prestige, I guess. I never made prestige, but this is gonna be easy. I can think about it pretty well because I can think of stuff on the top of my head pretty fast. So prestige. I'll make prestige right next to XP frame. So a way you can think about it is like when you okay, so I guess I can just go into like, okay, let me open up my sword system real quick and I can show you real quick. Let me just open it up for you right now. I'm gonna go to my skills. I'm gonna show you how it works so you understand how you know what I'm saying, how easy it is really. Cause like it's all just like it's all just like if you were in Roblox Studio, how would you do it without using code? Like if you can think about without using code, you can actually do it in what's it called? You can actually do it in code. So open it up right now. And now I'm gonna start doing like, I'm probably gonna start doing like more personal like tutorials on my server, so people can like start learning how to code. Like if you need like to learn, if you want to make like cool moves, because everybody wants to make cool moves. That's why most people start coding in the first place, to make cool moves. So like, yeah. So like, think about like this, right? So if I had like a so this is the sword system. So I'll just like go in here and just. What's my shift lock not on? So I know I'm not the best animator, but it still works though. So you see how like the damage you're taking now is like not like a lot, but like they're still taking damage. If I was to, let's say like I wanted to look at end value, right? So I'm making an end value, right? So it's right here. It's called value. And I'll put this out for you. So we have properties inside this int value. It has the value, which is basically what it's used for. The int value is just a value that's a number. A string value is the value is a string. So if we pop out a string value, and as we see, like this is a string value and this is an int value, and but they both have the name value. So let's change it to string value, and this string value will be a string. But if you put in a number, it's gonna turn that number into a string. So you would do something like this, right? So you said like rank. So let's get rid. Oops, did not mean to open that up. Alright, so let's do this. Let's just have this. You said you wanted damage equals 5 plus rank times 5. That's a lot of damage. Depending on how you scale the ranks. So let's just call this rank, right? So if I was to go inside of let's go inside of sword swing. And we see damage right here, right? We have damage. See, all we can do here is we can do plus workspace dot what I call workspace dot rank dot value. So all I'm doing here is the initial damage is gonna be added to the rank value damage, because this is an int value. So I can change this inside of the script or inside of like the workspace or whatever I'm doing. Let's say I step on a part, I can increase this. So like I'll show you right now. So I'm just gonna do script dot parent dot touch. We can connect function. Oops. I cannot spell. Maybe we can put hit in here. We can do not hit dot parent shell humanoid. And then we can do hit. Then we can do game dot players get player from character. Then we can put hit dot parent inside of there. And what we can do is we can do we don't even need to do that. We're not. It's not reference to the player. Sorry, it's in the workspace. We can do workspace dot rank dot value plus equals 5. And you don't do it like this. Don't keep it inside a workspace. You want everybody to have their own little damage thing. So I'm just showing you how to make it work. Yeah, you can put inside leader stats if you want to. I can show you how you can do that. But I just want to show you how it is right now. So let me show you. Roblox didn't want to run it, so let's do it again. Okay, so this is my initial damage for my sword. Let me just try to hit this. So boom, I hit it like. And then if I was to if I was to go to this part right here, this part is kind of long, and I would let's look at the value as well. The rank, it's 0 right now. The value is 0. If I start stepping on it, it's let's say we put it to 90, so now the value is 90, and then we made our initial damage plus the rank damage. So if I was to hit this thing right here, is it taking more damage? Definitely is. Is it taking more damage? Let me increase my damage a little bit more, because I feel like I'm not doing enough damage to actually show this is working. I feel like I'm doing the same amount of damage. Let me fix that real quick. Why is that? It's plus rank. Okay, let's go down here to damage. Where's this damage actually? If I change, let me see something. Is this... What if I do this? Okay, so... setting dot damage is going to be equal to damage. It's going to be equal to sorry. It's going to be equal to workspace dot rank dot value. So boom, let's do like that instead of doing this. This is probably going to just keep it like S5 plus 0, not actually change it. So now let's change the damage value, and then we let them take damage. So I should be doing 0 damage when I start off now. You said so, may I touching the color of the enemy to red. A perfect way to do that is using a highlight. Yeah, so now I take no damage now. Yeah, but it's still getting knocked back. So if I was to go to this part right here, which didn't make the part so far away, and if I was to go to the rank value, and I step all on it, and now I do 100 damage. Oh, I did not mean change it. Okay, boom, that's better. I do 110 damage. Let me just take a one-shot it now. Well, yep, that's one shot. So that's a good representation of like how you can make it work. Like if they rank up, you can just add it to their damage, and then they can just take more damage. So I'm just gonna like remove that real quick though. This too. And you said how to make like the enemy red. So yeah, you could do something like that as well. Like you could do like game. You could do game.players added. And you could do connect function. Like I'm gonna make a tutorial on like how to code and stuff. So like I'll make sure I include this. So and then so basically we have like leader stats. You can do local leader stat. I haven't done leader stats in a long time really. So you can make it a folder and parent it to the player. And you want to name the leaders. If you want to make a leader stat, you have to have the name leader stats, or it won't work. And then we can have Leader, let's stay in leader stats. So you want ranks, we can do local rank is going to be equal to instance.new. We're going to have an int value. Then we're going to parent it to leader stats because we want to show all our leader stats. And then we can just change the name to rank because we want to make sure we have the name rank. And just, let's say we want to start with a rank of like, I don't know, 5. And then if we press play, it should pop on our leader stats. Yep. So now we have a leader, now we have our rank 5 up here. And if you want to, every time this rank gets changed, you can just like do something like this. So like inside the script, we can do script.parent. I wish okay, I'm gonna do this instead, right? I'm gonna delete this, go all the way back. Oh, I can't. Oh, I think that's unlucky. Okay, let's do this then. Script.parent.touch then. Then we're gonna do game.players. Do get players from character, then hit .parent, and then we're gonna get the value. So we're gonna do .leader stat, leader stats .rank, because the parent is the rank. So they're gonna do .value plus equals 1. So if we press play now, you have a data store tutorial ready. I want to start making tutorials just in general. So you see every time I click on a part, the rank is getting incremented. That's because it already updates, so we don't have to do that ourselves. All we gotta do is just script the ranking going up and down, and our rank goes up. And maybe you could this is when like you know how I explained to you how like we can take damage depending on like what the value is. We can just make our rank value be the damage we're taking. But I didn't script it to the sword right now, so that's why the sword is taking like 98 damage per click. So that's like a simple way you can go about it though. If you want me to explain to you more, I can do that for you. I'm also going to be giving away my animations as well. So we are. And you said how to make a character red. So a good way to make a character red is that there's this thing inside Roblox called a highlight. So if you go to here, go to highlight. Where did I just put a highlight? So boom. So this is a nice way to make the character red without going through all their parts to make them red. So like now they're just red at all times. Unless like helping myself. Like this won't happen in game, they're always gonna be red. So this is pretty cool. Alright, now let's go back to the original place now. Let me the people I'm working with. Okay, let me just put up the little SXS break. Now let's switch it back to leveling real quick. EXP. Alright, let's get rid of it. I think I'm gonna make. I think I'm not gonna add prestige. I feel like it's gonna be a little bit too much. I'm gonna make it like pretty. I'm gonna make it simple, and then maybe I can add prestige the next time I do it. So. And plus, the way this is scaling is not making me very happy. So. What if I do something like this? Like we just do play. So I think this would be good enough for like people to understand, because the main point of the video is like for people to understand how it works. Then I like for power, and then we can just go inside of here. It's scaled. Oh, so it's scaled in the middle. Okay, that's why it's going away so fast. Let's do divided by. What if I do this divided by 100? Let's see what we get here. How fast will this go up, or how slow will this go up? I think I got it working. Let's go. Oh snap! It's going way too far. So maybe I want to divide it by First of all, I don't like the way that it's moving with the text. I might just like bop this text all the way. Oops, I want to put it inside a frame at least. What had to just happen? Change these, and then boom, that should work. She said, did you just make the so you get a stat point for every level? Yeah, I just made for every level, but you can change it like for how many stat points you gain per level. So it scales to 100. Is the 100 the wait? What if I do divided by max exp dot value? I think this is definitely has to work because if we were dividing it by 100, it goes all the way up to 100. So if we were to do something like this now, it would wait until it gets up to the max value and then it would level up, and then it'll wait to go all the way up to 159, and then okay, yeah, we got it working. I think that's the thing I really shine in. It's like figuring out how the math works. That's what I'm really good at to make. Because I mean, Roblox is really math. I mean, coding is math in general. That's why I really shine at. So you almost take forever to go up. Yep, that's it. And he said, "Yo, I'm back out to AFK. How's the system going? The system's going pretty good. We fixed that remote event you were talking about. We even need a remote event when we were doing it because we already did it in the player. So when the player gets added, he said, while wait, do script, text. Ooh, I don't. No. So think about it like this, right? You don't want. The way I think about it is you don't want to have unnecessary code running in the background. You only want the code to work when it's activated. So let's say like because you don't want your game to be laggy, so you want to make your game as optimal as possible. So like for example, if you have an NPC system and you want the NPCs to spawn when somebody's in a certain radius, that's what you want. You don't want NPC just spawning when people just join the game. You want the NPC to spawn when people are in the area. So try to think about it like that. At least he's not gonna lie, I hate math. I love math and Lua. Like math is I've really shone at math. Like it's like it's just really good for me. I didn't think I was gonna figure it out right now, but I guess it's really fine. So let's do. I think that's really all for this system right now because I'm not gonna go too off with the system. So and then I think that's pretty simple. I'm gonna add some NPCs so when you kill them, they just you know, let's give you something. Okay. Almost 0% at distance. Yeah, I usually use like region 3. You can still use region 3, but like you can use parts bound in box and stuff like that. That's what I like to use. Because parts bound in box and parts bound arrays were completely different, like which is so weird to me. Like they return different things. Like they return the same thing, but like it's really different if you actually used it before. Like it's just kind of a pain. So I'm gonna make like me and my admin row, like, let's do this, right? We're gonna have like a billboard GUI. It's gonna display our health. Let's put it to the head. Set the Dorney to the head. Let's so like to 4. 3's good. Yeah, I think 3's pretty good. I just add a friends out of there. Some text. Do max distance wherever that is at. I'm in the wrong one anyways. About 50 studs. Plus, I don't like the way I have to scale it and everything, so let's do it right now. I see why. It's a little bit better now. I'm trying to get a rank in health. Yeah, so yeah, if you just follow me doing it right now, I can just show you how to do it real quick. The one thing I don't like about Billboard GUI is that I don't know how to scale them the right way sometimes. Sometimes I gotta look at how to scale them. Like I'll get it done regardless. So let's see. I don't like this at 4. Let's do 3. That's too small. Yeah, I think that's good enough. But I want to be. You have to be real close to see the HP and stuff. So let's do like. Let's change this to 25. Get out of here. Boom. Pops up. Get out of here. And you can have like this is like health. Oops, I mean that. It's gonna display the NPC's health because I want you to be able to get XP from killing as well. Because maybe some people want to do that. Maybe some people don't know how to do that. So like it'd be like optimal for me to do that for them. And then we could do something like change it to the name of course. Oops. Dude, how does it look like 100 out of 100? Does that even look good? 100 out of 100 for the health? Or should I just do 100 out of 100? It just shows the health without like the bar health. We just did offset 2000. Alright, let's do that. You already have the offset to. We also set the word. You already have it at 000. What I'm gonna do here is maybe like. What the hell? I said doing to. So this should basically like. This is basically gonna be like the little health for them. Like we can just like I don't know. We step on this part, boom, they die because I don't wanna Do I really want to add the combat system inside of here though? I don't want it to. I want it to all be accessible without like having other stuff. It was below us and not that one. Oh, what you mean? Let's check. What do you mean? I'm not a UI guy, by the way. If you can't, if you can't tell. I'm tweaking. What do you mean? Wait, no, you said go to Gilbert UI. Says studs offset. Okay, 0, 0, 0. It's more so in their face. So I mean, I can just change the just one. And then I can change rows. It's already one up, so 0, 0, 0. And then I can just change. I think it looks. Let's change it both different though. Okay, I can rock with that. I'll make a kill part. You just step on the part, you die. But we can respawn though, so. So we can do yeah, let's do this out. No, I don't want to do one by one. I could do one by one, but you know, I'm not really that lazy right now. We can just do it the hard way. So we can just store both of them inside a table. So touch parts inside of a table. We can have game.workspace.SuVir We have game.workspace.row dead. We can loop through these for value and pairs. If I can spell pairs right. Touch parts, do. Then we do touch part. We value that touch connect function. Have that fit in here. And like, you're probably wondering, how are you supposed to tell whoever hit the part? Like, they're both stored on the table. Well, good thing that you asked, because we're gonna substring the name, because the name has the because we can detect who hit the part. All we gotta do just now, just do this. So first, of course, we're gonna get the player. I wish I just. I hope you guys learn from this. Get player from character, because a lot of people don't know how to get the player from the character, while they can't access the player. So hope you guys learn something from there. And I have to scale their health too. Yeah, that sucks. Is there a way to make it so it should only show some other players and see so it doesn't not if the rating shows all? Wait, so you said on other players but not your own? So you want to see other players' health bar but not your health bar? That's what you're saying? And then we can check if he just said it for you can just hide it from the player. There's a lot of ways you can go about it, really. Oh, I made an Ivy in Paris. Oh, we're getting the values anyways, doesn't matter. So now we can do touch parts at first of all, if let's say if however we hit the part with touch parts. He says, so do you know why Twitter Activate is not working on server scripts? What do you mean it does work on server scripts? I use tools on the server like a lot. Like let me check right now for you. So these functions are a tool on the server too. Why it's not working? Yeah, let's see why. Let's see what's going on. Let's do warn instead. Oops. It's working for me. If you can see here, the press is being incremented every single time I hit press. It's working for me. Twitter Activate is working. Don't forget to make sure required handles off. That might be a problem as well. For the most part, I'm not gonna worry about this aspect too much. I think this is really like the general idea. That's what I need for the video. And let me just let's make another one of these right here. I'm only gonna make this green because this is gonna like give you more. It's gonna give like 40 per hit. But the devil won't troll me so hard. They tell me like every part destination. I swear to God, they're a bunch of trolls. Yeah, sometimes they just don't be making sense sometimes. Let's see. So I think for the leveling system, I might like add like if you click, you can also gain XP. Because I think adding unique ways to gain XP is like really important. So instead of having stuff like this, I'm adding the code for this. I could like have like when you click, you gain XP. It's supposed to represent a punch in some type of sort. So okay, I can do that then. Let's just do that. Oh, that means I have to go. Yeah, let me go grab those real quick. Just gonna go grab my combat animations. Where did I put them at though? I really don't know where I put them at. I really feel like I put them somewhere, but I just don't remember. Combat. I made so much combat. You really wouldn't believe me. Let's just go into a random one then. You know what? Whatever. We're just gonna make. Wait, I know I have one somewhere. All I need to do is find one place with combat, please. I can't find it nowhere though. Oh, whatever. We're just gonna make it on our own. Let's just put this back up. You said, how do I set up the HP bar above every humanoid's head? Include, what do you mean by every humanoid? Do you also mean like dummies as well? Or just the player humanoids? Let's go to that. He said, say yes. It says, where is it? When is a player or character? Yeah, you could also do that. Yeah, just do every time the player character's add, you could just do something like that. Honestly, like, let's just get these animations done. Like dang, I really wish I knew what they were. You know what I'm gonna do? Yeah, we're gonna import from Roblox real quick, and we're going to, where's mine at? Me. Here, us. I'm gonna copy all these animation IDs down real quick so I can remember them. It's gonna be 1. It's gonna be 2. 3. 4. 5. Alright, so we don't need this no more. So all we're gonna do is just put the animations here. M1 and oops. Just duplicate 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, that's 5. M2, we have M3, we have M4, we have M5. And then we can do is just add the animation to all of these real quick. Geez, also, what is wrong with this? Local function can... What? Wait. I need to see it in a lower format. It's kind of hard looking at, like, I'm looking at it from my phone to see like the chat and all, so I'm not looking from my computer. But it looks smaller. You did local function connections, okay? You named the connections, that's fine. Connection underscore health equals so you're getting the properties every time the health is changed, okay? Connect update. So that I'm assuming update has to be a local function or a function of some sort. For max health. Wait, so where's the error coming from? Because it's kind of hard just to look at it and be like, oh, that's the error. Yeah. Please do that. Yeah, VIP. What's your name? I want to give you help. It seems like you have really good experience with Lua in general. this is gonna require even more code. Said one up. Alright, let's just do. I think I had a brain fart. Sorry, it's user input type. We're not gonna do too much work with all this, so it's gonna just make a simple remote event. From these log checkers, useless. And this is also just for reference too, so. And I'm gonna be giving out all my animations as well and how I like to use them and stuff. I'm gonna do fish storage dots events dots punches fire server. What Discord invite link are you using? Okay, if you go to my like wait, it's not which one's not working? Because if it's not working for you, it's probably not working for other people as well. So storage dots. What did I name it? What did I name the event? Stat checker punches. It has to be punches. So what from doing like 40 minutes ago. Okay. Oh, so this is like, so you're like basically new. You could have fooled me. I didn't even know. Yeah, I'll try to fix that. I don't know why some of the Discord links don't work. I'll try to fix that for sure though. But I put my Discord link like almost every video, so maybe that can. I cannot spell today. Oh, I cannot spell. I'm about to just put shard. I don't want to make this too much, honestly. Let's just try to make this simple. Not spell. That's gonna be enough. I realized I couldn't send images to help. I can try to fix that with the images. You said you can't send images in the helper. I'll fix that for sure. I don't know why it's like that. Yeah, I'll try to let me fix that right now with the images and stuff. First, let me, okay. So, what we can just do. Let's just hope this works first try because why not? Of course, it won't work first try. Yeah, it works, but like it's very slow. Snap, I forgot to set it back. That should fix it. I might change that wait time because it's incredibly too slow. Yeah, it's too slow for punches. We can make it 0.4 per punch. First, let's get rid of this tool because I see that tool every time I go in there. And let's add like, instead of adding like incremented by 5, we can do it like by 10. So now if we were to punch, yep, now we can see it. Level up on that. Yeah, I just want to show the visual representation of like the punching. You gain XP from punching as well. Increase it real fast. Made me level up so fast. I didn't want to level up so fast. Okay, don't level me up, don't level me up. Oh, how'd it get me? Ah, perfect. And then boom, boom, and then one more. Level up. Let's go. Okay, I think I'm gonna do something that's kind of, I think a lot of people don't actually do. So as you can see, we had some leftover EXP. Okay, yeah, I have a perfect idea to fix that, or just make it better. So instead of, so when the current, okay, so we're gonna do local remaining. It's gonna be equal to max XP value minus current XP value. So this is gonna get the remaining XP. No. Actually, look. Yeah, it's gonna get the remaining XP. And then we're gonna set a current value equal to 0, and then we're gonna set a current EXP equal to remaining, and then we add the level and stuff. So when we over level and we get like extra XP, we don't just like lose all that data because that'd be kind of annoying. So let's just go here. Yeah, so I went to 15 instead. If I was a punch, I have -2 here. It's max. It's should I do current? Okay, I think it should be current minus max is, if this is only gonna run when max is bigger than or greater than the max value. So oh, I can just add a data store for that. That's super simple and straightforward. I can do that right now if you want me to though. Why is it? So I shouldn't get. How much should I get? I got 6 left over. Okay, so now it works. Dang. So let's see how much left over I'm gonna get. So if I click, I should. Okay, so if I click 10, that should be 8. Yeah, 8. Perfect. That's perfect. That means it works perfectly fine. So now your leftover EXP is gonna it's gonna, what's it called? Check. It's gonna work. It's perfect. So let's see what else can we add here. And you said you wanted to save. Ooh, saving's gonna be crazy. Like I have this gonna be. This is all already 100 lines, and this is like, this is nothing really. And this is like 60 lines. You know what? Doesn't matter. Ooh, that's gonna be a lot of default values. I mean, I'll reset them first. That will make it significantly longer, but this is really like not really included. Just this that's really I'm really focusing on. Then we have this. Should I make a data store though? That's the real question. It's kind of iffy if I want to make a data store. But I think that's gonna be all for really the system really. I think that's pretty straightforward and like pretty good really. Like it gets to the point, like you level up, you can click the level up, and maybe I might think about adding like the data and stuff, but for right now let's just keep it like this for now. But Major, if you really want me to add like the saving and stuff, just hit me up and I'll make sure I add it. So, alright, that's all it's gonna be for this video or this little live stream. Hope you guys really did enjoy this. You feel me? Like it was pretty fun making this thing, I guess. I mean, I made it plenty of times before, so it's kind of like just this came to me naturally. So yeah, so if you guys need any help, any type of script or anything like that, just hit me up in my DMs. I'm down to help you. You feel me? Like trust me, I'm not gonna charge you nothing to make you a simple script. Like trust me, I'm a nice dude. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.